Hello guys and welcome to another video of Techies Guru. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to log into your 1688 account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. I'm going to go ahead and open Google Chrome, and then on the search bar type 1688.com. After that, you will see this pop up, but since all of this is in a different language, you might want to translate it. To do so, you're going to go to the top right corner of your screen on the three dotted icon, tap on it, and then tap on the translate option. After that, the app will be translated to English for a better understanding. Here you can see that it is asking you to download your 1688 app. Now you can log into your 1688 using two methods, either through the app or through your online browser. If you want to download the app, you can simply tap on go download. If you don't, then you simply skip this step. And then you can simply tap on the login button that appears on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be redirected to this page again. Since it's all in Chinese, then you might want to translate it for better understanding what this says. So you translate it to English. If you already have an account, then you tap on the first option. Then you'll be redirected to this page. And first, you're going to enter either your Taobao member number or your mobile number. After that, you enter your password and then simply tap on login. If you want to view your password, you can tap on the eye icon that appears beside your password section, and then you'll be able to view the password you enter. I'm going to enter my member number. After that, I'm going to enter my password. So if you want to view your password, make sure that the eye icon that appears beside your password section is enabled. If you don't, then you simply tap on it again to disable it. Tap on the box that appears beside that reads have read and agreed to following agreement, Alibaba terms of services, legal notices and privacy policy. So basically, if you tick on it, then it means that you've read and agreed the Alibaba's terms of service, legal notices and privacy policy. Only then you'll be able to proceed with this process. So if you simply tap on it and then tap on log in, you will be logged into your 1688 account, and then you can go ahead and search for the product and purchase the product that you're searching for. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.